Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the Tech Talk. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Okay, so let's try to share this one. Okay, welcome to Tech Talk with Alan Burgos. Today, part 2 tayo sa local search series. Ang core question nga natin, bakit minsan kailangang tanggapin ng AI ang isang worst move? I-frame agad as kung greedy lagi, pwedeng may stack, simulated annealing, ads controlled, randomness. Sa hill climbing, ladies and gentlemen, kung lahat ng nearby moves ay worse, titigil siya. Even if may mataas na peak elsewhere. Simulated annealing sometimes accepts a worse move para makaalis sa trap. This is not just formula memorization. Dapat maintindihan ang search behavior. Greedy versus controlled randomness. Ay, mga kaibigan ha, later on also, we will be using simple Python demo. Okay, local search does not keep the full search tree. It works with current state, neighbors, evaluation, and move. Okay, so last time around we had part 1, and if you were able to have that, thank you so much, and I hope you can be able to subscribe and like this video also and share this to your friends. So hill climbing is greedy. Hindi siya bad algorithm naman. Simple lang ang useful siya, mga kaibigan. Talagang useful siya. So if the landscape has traps, pwedeng may stack. Mga kaibigan, no, ito dito makikita natin dito sa ating slide ay yung local maximum, plateau, at ridge. Simulated annealing, ladies and gentlemen, is hill climbing na may controlled randomness. Better move, accept. Worse move, sometimes accept. The probability changes depending on the temperature. Okay, so the what we are using here as an analogy is we call that as meta allergy. High temperature means adventurous, low temperature means disciplined. This is a very teachable line for YouTube. But do not spend too long on math. Mm. Let me just mention that the formula is just for mechanism. For beginners, the idea is more important than deriving it. High temperature is equals to more likely to accept worse moves. Lower temperature is less likely. So this is the idea. This is the slide before the demo. Ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing a Python with a simple mathematical landscape. Oh, this is the simple way to explain the process before the Python demo. Start with an initial state and temperature. Generate a neighboring candidate state. If candidate is better, accept it. If candidate is worse, accept it with probability based on temperature. Reduce the temperature and repeat. Okay. So before the demonstration plan, no, this is the demonstration plan. Okay, so we will compare a greedy search and controlled randomness search. Okay, so this, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we can be able to use VS Code, Google Colab, or Jupyter Notebook under the Anaconda, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so this is the demo, demo setup. Create a multi-peak objective landscape. Start both algorithms from the same location. Hill climbing accepts only better moves. Simulated annealing can sometimes accept worse moves. Compare final scores and search paths. Okay, huh? All right. Hill climbing accepts only better. Simulated annealing accepts better and sometimes accepts worse depending on probability and temperature. So this is the entire behavioral difference between the hill climbing and simulated annealing. Okay? So something like that, no? So thank you so much. Just keep on subscribing, liking, and also keep on suggesting and then your comment on the comment section, my dear friends. Okay, now, hill climbing, ladies and gentlemen, stops near a local peak. Simulated annealing wanders earlier, then finds a better region. Do not claim guaranteed global optimum here. It is improving the chance of escaping traps. Okay. So always choose improvement versus explore first. Settle later. The important line here, not random, guessing randomness with a cooling plan. Okay, so yon, no? Now, this is the summary, no? This is the summary, ladies and gentlemen. The key takeaways, what viewers should remember, okay? What viewers should remember after the lesson. Hill climbing is greedy and may get trapped. Simulated annealing sometimes accepts worse moves to explore. Temperature controls how much randomness is allowed. Cooling gradually shifts the search from exploration to exploitation. It does not guarantee perfection, but it can find better solution in complex landscapes. One sentence summary, ladies and gentlemen. Simulated annealing helps local search avoid getting stuck too early. All right. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are able to like our background. Thank you. Our microphone and our tech talk with Alan Burgos. And of course, the title that you are seeing there on the background on the video itself. Thank you so much. And I hope you like it. And I'll see you next week again for another video. And we will be having some demonstrations later on. No? And also, if you try to look at our banner, I hope you like it also. Thank you so much. And hopefully, this channel will be monetized as well. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.